went to the post office to pick up this box. I'm so excited that I just decided to record it on location. The post office I'm at is in Scottsdale, and it's packed in there, and so I was going to record it in there. Oh, I should check my box before I go, just in case I have something in there. But anyway, this is from Babala, and I'm so excited to finally get the package. I came to the post office, and it's by the airport, so excuse the plane noise, but I just want to get right into the box. I'm so excited to see it. I couldn't wait till I get home. So I'm just using a pen. I'm doing DJ King. You know DJ King? Sometimes she uses a pen to open her boxes, and it seems like it works. So let me see. Let me see how I can get into the box. So yeah, they reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in doing the collaboration. And I'm like, yes, of course. Oh, look, it's orange. Oh, okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I got to do some more cutting on the side. So anyway, yeah, so this is wrapped really well. Let me see where it came from. Oh, it came from Elk Grove Village, Illinois, the shipping department. So yeah, so let me see how I can get into this box. Is this, yeah, is this, let me see. I want to make sure I open it right. Okay, I got that part. What part is, oh, okay. Can you guys see it? Oh, look at this. Oh, this box is kind of big in the car. Look at this. Louis Vuitton. Oh, look at the box. Oh, it's a Louis Vuitton box. Here's the little inserts. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is the little receipt. And I have a coupon code, RC, let me see, RC 1856. It's a discount code. And so if you're interested in seeing it, oh, it has this. Oh, this is a nice little booklet. And take your instructions. Oh, cute. And then this is the packaging. Oh, so cute. And then it has also the little ribbon. Oh yeah, I could compare it to what I have. And actually I'm carrying my Louis Vuitton bag today, and it's stuffed to the max. This one. So yeah. All right, let's take a look at the packaging. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Okay. I'm trying to be gentle with the label. Oh yeah. Oh, it's taped pretty good here. So let me break into it. The packaging is really nice. And the box. Hold on. Let me take the box. Oh, the box has a magnet. It's nice. You hear the magnet? Oh, it's so cute. All right, let me get this out the way. Let's get into the bag. Oh, these girls. So stuff. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, this is just like from the retail. My goodness. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is the DIANE. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. Wow, very impressive. Oh, nice. It has a back pocket. This is what it looks like at the bottom. And then is this, yep, this is magnet. It doesn't have like, a distinctive smell. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the straps. Oh, it has this little tag. Louis Vuitton. Oh, so nice. Oh my goodness. And then it has this little zipper pull with plastic on it. And then it has the back pocket. Oh, this feels like fabric. Oh, nice. This is really nice. Look at the little you know, for the strap. And then it has a back pocket here. And then here's my phone, a 12 Pro Max. Oh yeah, my phone fits in the back pocket really nice. And then I do have my Louis Vuitton pouch that came with my bag here. Here's a nice comparison of the two. This is my other Louis Vuitton, and then this is the new one. Nice. The vachetta leather. Look at the colors, if you can tell. Oh, nice. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my goodness, I love it. Thank you guys so much. Oh, it's adorable. It really is. I like that it's a magnet catch, you see. It's a magnet. Oh, it's so nice. I'm trying to see what the smell. Oh, I can't really tell the difference in the smell. This one smells different than this one, but it's not, it's I don't know. I don't know how to describe the smell. But these are the straps. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so cute, you guys. Oh, wow. I was looking at their website when they sent me a link, and they have some good beauties. They have some really pretty nice bags. Oh, and then this says right here, Louis Vuitton, if you can see. Louis Vuitton Paris. And then look at the little plastic that it has on it. And let's take that off. Oh, nice. That's kind of good for storage if you want it to be. Look at this. Oh, nice. Really nice. This one. Let me put it on the bag. Now, hold on. Hold on, please hold. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Wow. Oh, it's so cute. And it fits on my shoulder. I know I'm in the car, but yeah, I have to do some mod shots. Now, when you look at this one just has, because this goes inside the bag, it just has LV. But in particular, my strap is really big on this. But let me see if I could just do like a quick little comparison with these two little straps here. If you guys could see. If you can see, hopefully you guys can see the difference in the straps. They look just alike. The colors and everything, if you can see the colors. This is the new one, and this is my original bag. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, they look almost identical. Except up here, they have the little stamp here. And then on this one, it's down here, if you can see. I'll try to put like a close-up picture of that. Oh, nice. Oh, and then inside of this bag, of my big bag, it's huge. I got a stuff pack today. But this has like the red velvet-like lining fabric. And then this one is just like black. And it's kind of slippery like, but it's still like a fabric. And then the zipper pulls, let me show you that while we're at it, if I can. This one on the little pouch, the zipper pull, they look similar. Now this is going to be a little challenging to show, but let me see if I can do it like this. Wow, they look pretty good. I may have to do a different picture of that. I may have to insert a different picture if you can't see it. I'll insert a picture, but wow, they're very similar. They look almost identical, in fact. Oh wow, they got the same like zipper pull. So I'll insert a picture to show you, but wow, these the print looks identical. If you can tell, the print looks identical. Oh wow, what a nice bag. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to order one. The bag that I think I really want to order with this is the P9 in the pink. And so then this is the Louis Vuitton strap. If you can see. Oh, and then this has the LV on it. It's wrapped in plastic. Oh, this is really great. Oh, this is really nice. Thank you guys so much for collaborating with me and actually sponsoring this video. I love it. It's so nice. So let me know what you guys think. I think I did a pretty good comparison, but I think I have to come back and pack this bag and let you know how it wears. I think I'm gonna keep the short strap on it, but I'll do some mod shots in my next video on when I do a what's in my bag on this and see what you guys think. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's like the perfect little size for running errands and doing the most. So anyway, thank you cookies for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Wow, what a beauty. Oh, it's amazing. It looks so good. I'm going to include some side-by-sides of my authentic Louis Vuitton that I got from, this one I bought from Barcelona in Spain. So yeah, thank you Babala Bags for sending me this bag. All right, peace out. Deuces. Wow, what a beauty. Oh yeah, I guess I should show you guys a view of the sunny day in Scottsdale, Arizona. Oh yeah, look at the blue skies. It's like 60 degrees right now. It's really nice. You guys can see my glasses are transitioned. So anyway, peace out. Bye. Wow, look at my new bag. It's nice. It's so cute. Look at the dust bag.